Here's a video on how to change the windshield wiper blades on the front side of a Hyundai Elantra. Specifically here I got a 2013 GT. So when do you need to replace your wiper blades? If it's streaking when it wipes the windshield, that doesn't necessarily mean that it needs to be replaced. If anything, that just means that the wiper blade needs to be cleaned as well as the windshield. But if you can see on here, what you're looking for when it's time to replace these is any cracks, chips, or rips. And as we can see, this is looking, oh, right here. As you can tell, that is no good. So when it starts to rip off like that, you know it's time to replace. Alright, so I'm going to first replace my driver's side blade, and I'm using here an SG28. That number at the end corresponds to the length of the wiper blade. So this wiper blade here, the driver's side is 28 inches. And yeah, the nice thing about replacing the wiper blades is you don't need any hand tools. So all you need to do is pull up on the blade. And then if you look underneath the blade, as you twist it, you'll see this clip. Pull the clip in, and then put your fingers underneath the blade and just pull it out. And then pull it through. And now you have the wiper blade off. Importantly, as you can see, there's just this little J hook here. Just make sure to put that down slowly, or put a rag or something underneath it so you don't shatter the windshield. And yeah, we can get our new wiper blade and get ready to put it on. Alright, so with our new wiper blade in hand, all we have to do is just swing it around, catch it around that hook, and then just wiggle it till we hear a click. And just like that, you've replaced the wiper blade. And it's the same thing for the other side. It's really that simple. So, and then one more time here for the passenger side blade. Pull it up, angle the blade back till you get that clip, push down, and then push the blade towards your hand, and then just finagle it out of that hook. And slowly bring that arm back down. Alright, with our hook in the air, we just get our new wiper blade and go up and around until we get that clip in, and then just pull up and let it click. And there you go. That is how you replace your windshield wiper blades on your Hyundai Elantra. I'll put a link to the wiper blades you'll need for the Elantra down below. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know down below in the comment section. If you want more videos like this, just like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my other videos if you're interested in other how-to tutorials and save yourself some money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.